How to make a reservation. After you log into your account, you click on the reservation tab. Next, you're going to go to the Request a Reservation tab. For the event type, pick New Family Event. In the next box, add a description of your event. Next, you input the number of guests that will be at your event. Click Continue. You will choose the location for your event. You will then pick the size of the picnic area that fits your number of guests. You will scroll down and hit Continue. You will be given a list of pavilions from the park to choose from. Once you pick one, you will hit the Continue button. You will pick a date for your event, followed by the time slot, then click Continue. When you see the calendar with the correct date highlighted, click Continue. Look over the details of your request to make sure everything is correct. If you see a red X in the request section, that means the site is not available for the date you need. Also, please note, a security deposit will be added to the total by the reservations office. Click Continue. Insert your initials after reading the waivers attached. Answer the questions below. Click Continue. In the last step, you will hit Submit. Your request will go to the proper reservations office where they will review it and add additional information. Make sure to check your email for updates and further instructions.